To get out.
No.
He does.
Mummy.
Do you want the baby to come out?
Call her out. Say, you want to watch? Look at her.
You ready?
Hand onto your hand. Oh.
Look, the baby wants to come out. Whoa!
You're going to chase her? Say, no, baby. No, baby.
So you're going to get the baby, put it back in the cot.
Got the baby. Say, you naughty baby.
No.
Are you scared of the baby?
She'll turn round in a minute. There she comes. Where's she going? Where's she going?
No.
Don't you like the baby?
No.
What should we call her?
Oh!
Oh, where are you going? What should we call her?
Oh, she's getting Auntie Bob.
Should we call her Bubbles? She's got bobbly hair. Bubbles?
No.
No, not Bubbles. What should we call her then? Hmm? Dolly? Oh, she's going back in the cart. No. Oh, after Mummy. Oh. Going to have a look in the window. Oh.
Do you like her, Tegan?
No.
No.
Sorry.
Is she naughty?
Keeps running away, doesn't she?
Sorry.
In there,
What are you
she's going
saying?
in the
You're
cart.
telling her to go into a cot? Is she naughty?
She's coming. Nope, she's not. Oh, she's getting
Oh.
away.
Uh-oh. What's she doing?
She's coming.
You tell her, Tegan.
Come on, doll. Come on, Dolly. Come on, Dolly. Come on, Bubbles.
Tell her to get back in a
Come
cot.
on, Bubbles. Bubbles. Bubble. Dolly. Come on, Dolly. Oops.
You're going to say get back in your cot.
Come on. Take that. Let's go down now.
She's trying to get me.
She's coming back to go in your cot now. Go on. In your cot. Say in your cot, Tegan. In your cot. You need a nappy. Does she need a nappy doing? Yeah.
Is she trying to get your pram?
Your pram. She doesn't want your pram because she's too little for your pram. She's got her own cot, hasn't she? You want to go in your pram. You don't want to go in your pram, do you? Don't hurt you. Oh, Dolly. Don't hurt you. You tell her to get in that cot.
Oh, bless me.
Say, get in that. Say, get in that cot. Get in that cot. Get in that cot. Get in that cot. Yes. Get in that cot. You tell her. She stopped now, doesn't she? Get in that cot.
You're not going to kick her, are you?
Do it again. Get in that cot. Good girl. She's in now.
There you go, she's away now.
Say good girl. Good girl.